Hi, welcome to my video on extra problem number 7 and the unit on circles. This is the last video. We have a circle with two secants. Secants intersect the circle at 2 points. So AC intersects at B and AH intersects the circle at E, two secants. And we have angle A is x to the fourth plus x cubed plus x squared. Arc BE is 3. Arc CH is 2x cubed plus 12x squared minus 5. And this is find CH. So based on two secants intersecting the circle and in relation to the angle, angle A is equal to a half of the arc CH minus, make that an arc, the arc CE. So that means that angle A is this polynomial right here. Okay, half. And the arc CH is right here, this trinomial. 2x cubed plus 12x squared minus 5 minus BE, which is 3. And we simplify that. We just take our time. We always simplify inside the brackets first by PEMDAS or BEDMAS, whatever you want. X cubed plus 12x squared minus 8. So 2, 12, and 8 are even, so I'm going to take a half of that trinomial to simplify it. Do the multiplication before addition. Half of 2 is 1. Half of 12 is 6. Half of negative 8 is negative 4. And we simplify. We have x cubed on each side, so we can cancel them out. So we go descending order, x to the fourth plus x squared minus 6x squared plus 4 equals 0. X to the fourth minus 5x squared plus 4 equals 0. So this is x to the fourth, but it's treated, the first term is x to the fourth, the middle one is x squared, so we can factor it the same as we do with a quadratic, and then that's x squared, x squared. The product is 4. The sum is negative 5. So that's 4 times 1, 2 times 2. So to get the negative 5, we must have a 4 and a 1. So 4 times 1. So the sum is positive. Sorry, the product is positive 4. Sum is negative, so it's got to be 2 negatives. So x squared minus 4, x squared minus 1. X squared minus 4 is equal to 0. X squared minus 1 is equal to 0. So x squared is equal to 4. X is equal to square root of 4 is plus minus 2. X squared equals 1. X is equal to plus or minus the square root of 1, which is 1. So we have x is plus 2 minus 2, x is plus 1 minus 1. So let's make up a little table here. Let's go with, let's call this part, this right here, angle A. And let's call arc CH. And this is the arc BE. So we'll find all these for we gotta look at what an x is 2, x is negative 2, each one of them separately. So here we go. So we can take, let's look at when this is x to the fourth plus x cubed plus x squared. And this is 2x cubed, 12x squared minus 5. And this is a 3. So let's look at it when we have x equals 2. So sub 2 in here. I'm going to do it in our head. 2 to the fourth is 16. 2 to the 3 is 8. 2 squared is 4. So that comes out to give us 28. And let's do 2 here. So we get 2 cubed is 8 times 2 is 16. 2 squared is 4 times 12 is 48, minus 5, and add that up and we get a 59. And this one is not going to change, that's just a 3. And the reason I'm doing that, now notice right here is positive and right here is positive and 3, so if we check it, it's a half of CH, we did it here, CH minus BE, so that's a half of 59 minus 3. So that's a half of 59 minus 3 is a half of 59 minus 3 is 56, which is equal to 28. So 2 is okay. Let's try a negative 2. Negative 2 to the 4th power is 16. Negative 2 cubed is negative 8. Negative 2 squared is a 4. So that's a 20 minus 4. I have a 12. Now put a negative 2 in here. That's a negative 8 times 2 is negative 16. Negative 2 squared is 4. Still get the 48. And minus 5. So that comes out to be, when you work that out, you get a 27. So see 21, subtract from 48 is 27, and we have a 3. So let's check this out. So we have a half of 27 minus 3. So that's a half of 24, which is a 12. So negative 2 works. And now we'll try x equals 1. Sub a 1 into here, I get 1 to any power is 1. So that's a 1 plus 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. Now we're going to put 1 in here. When we put 1 in, we only got to, excuse me, we only got to look at the coefficients, because 1 cubed, so we got a 2, 12, and a negative 5. So we have a 2, a 12, and a negative 5. And that gives us 9. And this is the 3. So we have a half of 9 minus 3. So that's a half of 6. And that's 3. So 1 works. Let's try x equals negative 1. Now we got to take our time. Negative 1 to the 4th power is 1. Negative 1 to an odd power is negative 1. Negative 1 squared even power is 1. Add them up, and I get 1. Now we put negative 1 in here. We get a negative 1 times 2 is negative 2. Negative 1 here is 1 times 12 is 12 minus 5. So that gives us 5. This is a 3. So it's a half of 5 minus 3. So it's a half of 2. And a half of 2 is 1. And that works. So all of these values work. 2, negative 2, 1, negative 1. That means that CH has all these values. So CH could be 58 or 27 or 9 or 5. Because all of these can fit and have no negative angles, measures, no negative measures on the arc, I should say angles. Therefore, we have all these different values. So you can see, you have to check each of the values of x into each of the measures of the angles in the arcs to see if there's no negatives. If there's no negatives here, so all of these will work. Thought it might be, that was an interesting problem with x to the 4th power, quartic. And again, if you like my video, click on the like button, click on the subscribe button if you wish, and visit my math website, www.mathfullyexplained.com, to find more information about me, my video, and the content. That's the content on my YouTube channel called Math Fully Explained. Just one word. Thank you for viewing my video. Hope the video helped you. Bye-bye.